Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna be sharing you guys one of the biggest secrets that is hidden in plain sight, uses by big affiliates, super affiliates to generate thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing, guys. And once you understand this one thing, this one little secret, guys, your affiliate marketing business will explode. And when I implement this in my affiliate marketing business, I start getting results and start making sales, which is really powerful. All right, keep watching. Now, just like I said, guys, a while ago, this one thing or this little secret is hiding in plain sight. And once you understand this one thing and implement this one thing into your affiliate marketing business, you will start getting results. Right now, this one thing, guys, is all about angle. Right now, if you don't know what this is all about, let me show you a real life example of this. Right, so I'm inside of the sales page of this product right here. Now, this is a product from Brendan Mays. The name of this product is No Less Secret. Right, so this is an info product, a course that will teach people on how to make money, on how to promote products, on how to promote affiliate offers with Gmail ads. Right now, the name of the product, guys, is No Less Secrets, and the headline says turn emails into passive income without a list, without an autoresponder, and without monthly payment. Right, and this is 100% true. Now, you don't need to have an email list to run a Gmail ads. You don't need you don't need an autoresponder. Sorry about that. You don't need to have an autoresponder to run a Gmail ads, right? And there's no monthly payment to run a Gmail ads, right? Now, as you can see, they're using really powerful headline right here. Now, they can actually put in like step-by-step training on how to promote product with Gmail ads, on how to promote product with Google ads, right? But you can actually 5x or 10x your conversions and make more money if you do this angle method or this angle thing. Right, as you can see, they're using a really powerful headline right here, and they're using this name right here, which is the No Less Secret, which is a really powerful product name, by the way, that will make people curious about the product and end up buying and learning the method inside of this product. Right, because if you don't do this angle thing, guys, yes, of course you can make money by selling or using a generic keyword, but you can make more money, 5x or 10x your conversions, if you do this angle method. Right, and this is exactly what they're doing to make more money, to sell, to make more money by selling their own product or make money by selling other people's product. Now, let me show you an example of that. Now, one of my bonus right here, so this is one of my bonus right here from the product that I promote. One of the bonus that I have is my KLT method to 5x and or 10x the conversions of your traffic. Now, people wanted to know what this KLT method is all about, right? So they end up buying to the product or offer that I promote, guys, because they wanted to know what this KLT method is all about and how I can 5x or 10x the conversions of my traffic and turning that traffic into sales. So they're being curious about this method and they wanted to learn this method, and that is why they end up buying into the course, because aside from the product that you're promoting, you also give away a method that will help them 5x or 10x their conversions. Right, and by the way, guys, this is part of the training that I have, which is my the free affiliate marketing program or the free affiliate marketing training course that I created. I have the link below this video, that way you can also learn this method as well. Right, so as you can see, I'm doing this right now. All right, so you can learn this KLT method by clicking the link below this video, which is really powerful. So if you wanted to learn this KLT method to 5x your conversions, to 10x your conversions, and to make more money, right, then you can just click the link below this video. Right, this is really powerful. All right, and I'm using this, guys, in a day-to-day affiliate marketing business. All right, now let me show you another example of that. So This one right here. All right, so there's a product right here. The name of this product, guys, is Zero Effort Commission. Now the headline says automated system uses secret code that pays me 357.37 a day passively. As you can see, guys, they're using a really powerful headline. You know, automated system uses secret code, working just 5 minutes a week to make 357 a day passively. All right. Now this $357 per day, guys, is really possible, and there are a lot of people are making more than this, and this is really possible, guys, using an automated system. Now this product, guys, is all about setting up an automation campaign inside of an email marketing software or autoresponder. And just like I said, they can put in something like how to set up a campaign inside of However, or how to set up a campaign inside of email marketing software like GetResponse or any kind of email marketing tool. Yes, just like I said a while ago, you can make money by using that generic keyword or using that generic headline, but you can make more money. You can 5x or 10x your conversions if you do this angle method, right? So they're using this automated system, and this is absolutely 100% true. You can set up an automated system, an automated campaign, right, inside of your automation tool, and use this secret code. Now this secret code is actually a code that you can share into other people. That way they can also copy and paste that campaign that you created inside of your email marketing tool, right? So as you can see, they're using this powerful headline that pays me $357 per day. And just like I said, this is 100% true. If you send the traffic, the right traffic into this campaign inside of your email marketing software, then you can make 357 per day, less than this or more than this, right? And this is absolutely 100% true as well. Once you set up your system, once you already set up your campaign inside of your email marketing software, then you can just work 5 minutes a week, or like 1 hour or 2 hours per week. Then you can leave it as running in the background, and you can make money on autopilot, right? Alright, guys, so I hope you get value out of this video. It's all about angle, guys. If you don't use angle, yes, you can make money by using a generic headline or using a generic keyword, but you can make more money by doing this angle method, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload tips and tricks like this to help you guys make money with affiliate marketing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.